I'm here today with Taboo, who owns the Endless House guest house. It accommodates about 8 people in a dormitory room and also has 3 separate rooms as well, which are doubles. This is designed specifically in the winter for the surfing community, and the room is up the top there, and you've got access from the main street, which I'll put also in the video, and the links are in the description. Taboo, the waves here are renowned throughout Morocco. How big is the surfing community during the winter?
It's a big community who comes every day for surfing on those spots. We got 4 spots close to the hostel, and so they come back every winter. So we are happy to see them again, and they enjoy the weather and the condition.
And in the summer, when it's a lot flatter, you also can accommodate motorbikers coming down on trips and possibly arrange security as well for the bikes.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna work on it, but we have a specific place close to the city, but a bit far, and with a big parking, so maybe we can do something.
And this is, what's the name of the point?
Encore Point. Encore Point. Encore Point.
The location is a well-known surfing location, and as you can see going out onto the ocean here, it is really good swell and endless surfing throughout the whole coastline of Morocco here. But this is one of the most renowned places. How long have you been going now, Taboo?
From here?
Yeah, how many years have you been running?
2 years.
Two
we
years.
opened 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And this is the second year, so we are happy.
And you accommodate surfing accommodation and also surfing competitions as well that are held here. How many surfing competitions are there per year here?
I think 2 or 3, it depends on the year.
Yeah.
And last year we have a competition of bodyboard surfing, so it was also good to see.
Okay. And the occupancy, do they need to book in advance?
It's better for sure to get sure we get some place, because we are a small hostel. So it's better.
And do you prefer people booking through which way? Through the website, or do you use other platforms like TripAdvisor or things like that?
We are on 3 different applications like Booking.com, Airbnb, and also with our website. And it's for us better with the website, but it's okay with Booking and Airbnb. We are happy in any way.
Okay, let's go up and have a look through the whole place.
Right.